Hi, this is Kempler Industries and you are watching video for Fox Hydraulics Vertical Baler model number 60, serial number 0-4579 and Kempler stock number is 25147. This press is running under 440 volt 3-phase AC supply. We're going to run this baler in a manual mode first. The guard goes down with a press. Going up. He's going to lift the guard up with it. Okay. Now we're going to put it in a automatic mode, and pushing the automatic push button, it will go down and it will come automatically up when you reach to the bottom limit switch. It's reversing back. Okay, this is the control here. Up, down, and select to switch for auto and manual. Emergency stop there. Okay, there you have it.